Hey Jackal, do you like animation? Maybe you do, but you don't know that yet. Well then, this challenge is for you. You can find out if you like animation, and while doing so, maybe you'll also win something. This challenge started December 5th and it will run till January 29th. So what do you need to know about this challenge? Well, it will be kind of a TV channel, so at the minimum, you'll have 7 seconds to convince the jury to watch the video till the end, until they flick to a new channel. So they have 4 categories: Best Render, Best Breakdown, Best Community Favorites, and a bonus raffle that anyone can enter just by participating, but you can find out more if you watch this video. Now I have some guidelines and rules and requirements. So as you can see, when it comes to animation, anyone can enter, even a total beginner, so I suggest you do, if you want to give this a try. When it comes to visuals, anything is allowed, so even 2D. If you want to collaborate, you can have up to 2 people, but if you win anything, then you'll have to decide who gets the prize, in case a prize is something that is non-dividable. So here we have the duration: Best Render 7 seconds, Best Breakdown 7 to 20 seconds, and all of the others are also 7 seconds. You have to publish the entry publicly, include the hashtag, include everything that you make yourself or that you have the license to. The video that you send also has to be clean, so no logos, no names, or anything else like that. You also must include the screen recording of your motion capture in Rokoko Studio, but I guess this is like an asterisk because you don't actually have to record yourself. But those that do will have to send also this video clip, and then you also have to upload it using this form. Now for the technical requirements, you have the ratio, the resolution, the FPS, how many seconds, the file format, and how you have to name the file. So don't fail anything, otherwise it's automatic disqualification. Now what do you have to use? So let's take a look. So you need to use Rokoko mockups tools or pre-made assets. And they go a little bit into detail if you don't own Rokoko hardware, so it's the gloves and the suit. You have other ways of doing this. So you have the Rokoko Vision and you have these 2 resources. So this is one resource that you can download the already taken animations, and this is another tool. So you have free mockups and 3D assets, though the asset is only this pantomime. But here you have a bunch of animations. Now this is in case that you don't have the ability or don't want to record your own animations. But if you do, you can go to Studio, or actually you go to Capture Tools, and you'll go to Rokoko Vision. This is the free one. This one uses a camera. You can use a laptop webcam, and if you have a laptop that is completely destroyed, you can also make your own webcam out of that one to connect it via USB. Alternatively though, if you have a phone, you can also record yourself and upload the video. I also made a quick video some time ago, and I've basically used a laptop camera to do so. Then you have the criteria by which the entries will be judged, the prize category, which is a list down here. They just haven't decided yet who will get what. So here you have some microphones, stream decks, which is down here, headphones, webcams, gaming gear, might be a laptop, and maybe this VR headset. And then we have some software licenses and much more. You can also post on social media if you want to show the progress that you're making. And if you have any questions for them, you should join the Discord channel. Now maybe you just want to know, so I made the animation, what do I do with it? Well, you can go to Mixamo, find a model that you like, maybe 2, download them, and use that animation that you made and apply it to a model. Now where can you apply it? Well, if you want to participate, you'll first have to register. This button will take you down here, and as you can see, you also have a tool available that you can select. So all of these tools allow you to make a 3D or 2D perspective. So you'll use the Mixamo model or the model that you made, and the animation that you made or the animation that you downloaded in the tool that you use the most. As for the theme, Intergalactic Animation Challenge, well, this is basically anything that will catch someone's attention, as long as it's PG-13. If you decide to enter this competition, do leave me a link down below in the comments so I can see what you made. And if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. I'm Simon, until next time, Jackal, keep it digital.